Hey, just wanted to give a shout out to MediaFast. My name is Scott Clark. I'm the Executive Creative Director at Advisors Excel. And we rely on MediaFast to create really engaging, amazing, awesome marketing across many different creative styles and stories that we're trying to tell. So we are a company that's all about creating the ultimate client experience for our clients, for our financial advisors. And so we're often sending out lumpy mailers, we're sending out experiential items. We want to deliver to them the best possible experience that we can. And so we partner with MediaFast to do amazing pieces like this, which is a very serious piece. We've got a nice leather cover with some embossing here. And when you get inside, this beautiful spot UV treatment, as well as a light back behind here. What we find ourselves constantly doing is reaching out to MediaFast and saying, what if this? Can you do this? What if we used lights this way? What if we use sounds this way? What if we created this with a video? Could we do a video card? Could we do a box? Could we do some other three-dimensional item? And so we're constantly trying to develop and deliver differentiated experiences for our clients. And we've been able to create so many different things with them that feel different, that look different, that sound different, that aren't just another video box, right? We invest heavily into this. We want our advisors to have a great experience. We want them to know how much we care about them. And we want to reduce any friction point between them and receiving the message and the information that we want to. And so we choose MediaFast because they're a phenomenal partner and they do top shelf, top quality work to help us deliver an ultimate client experience. Thanks, MediaFast.